a squared plus a squared is equal to 50. Then a will be equal to a very interesting exponential equation. First step for us to answer this question, a squared plus a squared is simply equal to 2a squared. Since a squared and a squared, they are like terms, that means they can be added. This will be equal to 50. Next step, we have to divide both sides by the coefficient of a squared, which is 2. That means we have to divide the left hand side and the right hand side by 2. This will give us 2a squared. We divide by 2. We equate this to 50 divided by 2. At the left hand side, 2 will strike off 2. We will be left with a squared is equal to 50 divided by 2 gives us 25 as such. Next step, we are going to transfer 25 to the left hand side, and this will give us a squared minus 25, which can be expressed as 5 squared is equal to 0. A squared minus 5 squared equal to 0. At the left hand side, a squared minus 5 squared is a difference of 2 squares, which has factorization. A squared minus 5 squared has factorization. We take a minus 5, then we multiply this by times a plus 5. This will give us a minus 5 times a plus 5 is equal to 0. For this product to be equal to 0, then either a minus 5 is equal to 0 or a plus 5 is equal to 0, of which we have to solve for a in these two linear equations, and this will give us a to be equal to, for the first one, transferring negative 5 to the right, it becomes positive. This will give us a to be 5, or the next, a will simply be equal to transferring positive 5 to the right. This, it becomes negative. So this will give us a to be negative 5. Then we conclude, therefore, for the above equation, we have a solution set to be a belonging to the set with elements negative 5, 5. We underline the solution set. It simply means if you take a to be negative 5 or you take a to be 5, it is a solution to the exponential equation a squared plus a squared is equal to 50.